Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I've done a hair tutorial and I am super excited to do this Get Ready With Me video featuring Icy Fantasia's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mist. This stuff is money, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, this little boy cannot get himself away from me. He is obsessed. Listen, if you have a little kid around 4 or 5, especially a little boy, they fall in love with you. And that means he needs to always be incorporated into one of these little videos because he just can't stay away. And I adore him, of course. So he wanted to try this spray. So we go ahead and put a little bit in his hair. He's got super tight coils, but I don't like using a ton of product on his hair. It's just not that serious for me. So all I do was wet his hair a little bit and throw a little bit of mist on top as a sealant, and it keeps his hair really soft. So I like that. Here's why I like this oil, particularly when using it for a protective style or braids. Regular Jamaican Black Castor Oil is very thick and it can be a little bit gunky. And I am growing my hair out, so it's important for me. As you can see, the shaved sides are gone. They've been gone now for 6 months, and I'm slowly but surely getting myself back to a hairstyle that I like. That's another story for another day, child. But anyway, so this Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Icy Fantasia is bomb because it is so light. So it's perfect for this time of year, whether you're doing a protective style like I'm going to show you here, or you're just wearing your own natural hair and you want the benefit of, and it's got tea tree oil in it too, you want the benefit of sort of Jamaican Black Castor Oil, particularly the growth benefits, but you don't want the weight and you want something that can spray on and be light. Perfect for protective styles, also perfect for the summer months. So we're going ahead and get started in doing our crochet style, honey. Yes, I've been wearing crochet braids, locks since November when I got my hair cut. So the cut that I'm growing out and trying to get right. Yes, y'all, it has been quite an ordeal. Anywho, so it is so easy. I love me some crochet, even though I'm taking these out next week and I'm going to be rocking my own hair and doing some new hair tutorials. I am absolutely going to continue to crochet, particularly locks. I feel like locks are just the style that I like the best with crochet hair. So I'll just use different variations of faux locks. And it's so easy. You see how I'm just open up the little hole, the loop at the top of the braid, put it on the end of the hook, slide it through, and then pull the hair through, and voila. And you just do this all over your head until you don't see the braids anymore, the braids that are underneath. And I like, even if your hair is long enough to just cornrow with your own hair underneath, I think it's always best to add braiding hair because your crochet braids actually end up lasting a lot longer. So for me, I get about a month with crochet braids. Maybe if I bother to put a bonnet on at night, I can get longer, but this is pretty much it. So you just continue to do that all over your head until you don't see any more braids. You get your little hair out. And this hair, by the way, I get the hair on, I'll put the link down below, on Amazon. You see here, you see how my braids are still showing? So that means I need to add some more hair, child, okay? I need to add some more hair. So I did that, and friends, this is it. Look at that. We are done. Look. Okay, braids covered. And again, I'll get I'll get about a month out of this. And so yeah, I absolutely get this hair on Amazon, super cheap, super easy. I'll put a link below where you can get this, and also the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mist. So all I do is add a little bit more of the mist because I'm about to throw on the rest of my makeup, put on a little outfit. You know it's summertime, child. It's summertime. And so I just add a little bit more mist. And listen, I'm spraying this quite a bit, but that's how light it is. You don't feel it. You don't feel like you're greasy. Ain't nobody got time. Listen, my husband used to always make fun of me back when I was first starting getting into more natural hair care and products. He used to be like, Lisa, I just touched the doorknob and it's greasy as hell. Can you stop with the products? And I used to just lay it on. But those days are over. I'm all about the light, easy products that dry nicely and don't leave any residue or film. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup, honey. And so I just used that Jackie Aina highlighter. We're gonna throw on some lipstick, some lip gloss, because yes, I'm all about the gloss this summer. Like all my matte lipsticks, I always feel like, okay, let me throw on a gloss, just because it's the summer thing to do. So put on our earrings, get our top going, put on some sexy high waist jeans, child, and it's time to go. So this is my full look. You know, it's a little sexy, child. Yes, I'm skinny thick, okay? But the hair is done, outfit done. Listen. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to ask questions down below, rate, comment, subscribe, all of that. Your girl is back. Your girl is back. I'm getting my hair done next week, honey, and we coming back with some hair tutorials and more sit-down talking videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.